T-Mobile's 5G Ultra Capacity provides enhanced 5G speeds and coverage across their network. However, on many Samsung Galaxy phones, the status bar displays a generic 5G icon instead of 5G UC, even when connected to the UC network. This is primarily a cosmetic issue, meaning you're likely still getting the faster speeds, but the indicator isn't displaying correctly. The display discrepancy arises because Samsung's Android-based UI relies on network information provided by T-Mobile. In some cases, T-Mobile's UC signal isn't explicitly flagged as UC in the data sent to the device. It's a software quirk, not a sign of a connectivity problem. T-Mobile's aggressive 5G rollout has at times outpaced device support, leading to these display inconsistencies. Before attempting any fixes, it's important to confirm whether you're actually connected to T-Mobile's 5G UC network. This helps determine if the issue is just a display problem or a connectivity issue. One way to verify is by using the T-Mobile app. Open the app on your device and check the coverage information and current network status. The app will show you if 5G UC is available in your area and if you're connected to it. Alternatively, run a speed test using a reliable app like Speed Test by Ookla. This will measure your actual download speeds and help confirm if you're getting 5G UC performance. 5G UC networks typically provide download speeds ranging from 50 to 200 megabits per second. If your speed test shows results in this range, you're likely connected to 5G UC. If your speed test results fall within this range, and you're in an area where T-Mobile's coverage map shows 5G UC availability, then you're likely connected to the network, even if your phone's status bar doesn't show the 5G UC icon correctly. The first and often most effective fix is ensuring your Samsung Galaxy phone has the latest software updates. This involves going to Settings, selecting Software Update, and downloading any available updates. Samsung frequently releases updates, like One UI 7.0 or later, as of 2026, that improve carrier label integration and resolve display issues with 5G UC. These updates often include better UC detection. Resetting your network settings can clear cached data that might be causing the incorrect label. Go to Settings, General Management, Reset Network Settings. This will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular settings. Restart your device after the reset. You will need to re-enter your Wi-Fi passwords after doing this. Your T-Mobile SIM profile may be outdated. This can prevent the 5G UC label from appearing correctly on your Samsung Galaxy device. To fix this, visit the T-Mobile website or use the T-Mobile app to refresh your SIM configuration. This pushes a new configuration to your device, which can resolve the labeling issue. In the app, look for options like Update SIM or Refresh Network in the Settings menu. For the website, log in and find similar options in your account settings. If the previous fixes don't resolve the issue, contact T-Mobile support for further assistance. Their technical support team can troubleshoot your account and device remotely to identify the root cause. In some cases, they may recommend swapping your SIM card if it's causing the display problem. A factory reset should only be used as a last resort after trying all other troubleshooting steps. Looking ahead, the trend is moving toward better standardization of 5G labeling across all devices and carriers. Future Samsung devices and Android updates are expected to significantly improve carrier label accuracy, ensuring users see the correct network information. Additionally, T-Mobile's transition to standalone 5G networks, or SA networks, further streamlines the integration between their network and user devices. By 2027-2028, as 5G technology continues to evolve, we can expect even fewer labeling issues thanks to unified network standards and advanced AI-driven diagnostics that automatically detect and display accurate network types. Finally, Samsung and T-Mobile are collaborating closely to ensure users have a seamless and reliable 5G experience without these labeling concerns. In summary, the future of 5G connectivity looks promising, with ongoing improvements in standardization, device compatibility, and carrier partnerships that will make these labeling issues a thing of the past.